Hello, everyone. As our valued client, would like to thank you for the opportunity that you have given us to help you with your application. And to return the favor, gusto naman namin kayong bigyan ng opportunity to earn money. Kasi alam namin yung situation nyo dyan, no? Busy kayo. Tapos, halimbawa, maraming mga nagtatanong sa inyo, either mga tao na nandyan din, and then most of the time, you go out of your way, hanap ka ng answer sa sagot mo, magre-research ka. Minsan, pag nangyari niyan, pag natulungan mo na and nakuha na nila yung information, ni thank you, hindi kayo nakakatanggap. No, so, this time, we'd like to give you the opportunity by getting those things or those, na ano ba yan, yung extra stress sa inyo, by asking you to give us those leads. No? So, kami nakakausap sa kanila and at the same time, pag nag-sign sila, makakuha kayo ng commission from them. No, so yun ang aming offer sa inyo. No, total, you are already doing those things naman na. Naghahanap talaga kayo ng information. This time, we're giving you the opportunity to earn from the effort. No? Pero this time, tatanggalin din namin sa inyo yung, ano ba yan, yung responsibility to answer their questions kasi kami na yung sasagot and kami na mag-explain. And of course, pwede pa kayong kumita ng money, no, from those referrals. No, so, ang pagre-refer nyo sa amin would be dependent on you and how much you are willing to put up yung time to market the services of CIC. So, there are two kinds. No, po, pwede kasi kayong mag-refer sa amin. Simply, ang gagawin ninyo lang yan is, actually, we have fixed our system na where it's easy for us to tag clients under your name. No, so, pwedeng i-register ko kayo or di kaya if I don't have your information, pwede din na padalan kita ng link and you register. No, so, ang mangyari niyan is you'll get a link. I'll show you. No, so it's like this. You will get a link similar to this one. No, so, ang link na yan, tawag nila agent registration link. When we open it, andyan yung information, basic naman. No? So, kailangan nyo na i-fill out yan, yung mga information. And then, you can already become part of our agent sa CIC. No? Tapos, pag halimbawa naman, nagawa na ninyo yan, makakatanggap naman kayo ng assessment link. Itong assessment link na yan, that is what you give the leads that you will be sending us. So, whoever that is, maybe nandito sila sa Philippines, maybe nandito sila sa Canada, pag napadala mo sila ng assessment link and they fill it out, automatic matatag na sila sa inyo. And kami na ang mag-communicate sa kanila. So, pag nag-communicate kami sa kanila, and then eventually they sign, sa inyo na makikredit yung sale na yun automatically kasi ang system na ang magpapaalam sa aming finance and magko-compute ng commission na meron kayo. And talking about commission, the kind of commission that they will receive, as I've said, is dependent on how much time you're willing to promote the services. Kasi po pwede naman na ang gagawin ninyo is there's somebody who asks, you send the link, and then when they sign, we'll give you the commission. So wala masyadong involvement, no? Link lang. No? Tapos kami na ang bahalang makipag-communicate sa kanila. Pero let's say you want to earn more, we give you the opportunity to earn more. All you have to do is, other than sending us the link, you go to our Facebook and our YouTube channel, click subscribe, click like on the videos, and then post videos in your Facebook page. Ganun lang siya. Ito yung difference, no? Ang difference ng commission na matatanggap ninyo is kami in-identify namin siya in tiers eh. So, ang tier 2, which is a basic na pag refer ng client sa amin, makatanggap ka ng 1.5% commission if yung sales na generate out of your effort is between 0 to 2.249 dollars. No, ang tataas yan, no, from 250 to $499, maging 3%, all the way down to 20%. Attainable ba yung 5,000 na yun? Very attainable, no? Kasi marami tayong klaseng services, no? And iba-iba. And why I say attainable is because ang ginawa namin mga bagong membership plans, so yun na po yung mga contacts natin ngayon, madami, no? And it caters to all kinds of services na kailangan ng aplikante. Halimbawa na lang, meron kaming service for the people who, let's say, gusto lang nila naman talagang ng konting guidance, but they want to do the filing themselves, parang DIY. We have something for that, no? And mura lang siya, between $500 to $600 lang. No, kaya ang daming kumukuha niyan, no? Dahil sa ngayon, sa dami ng changes, sa mga programs, and yung mga potential pa na maging changes in the future, ang mga clients natin medyo natatakot na sila to do it on their own. No, kaya at the very least, kumukuha sila ng ganong service. May services kami for people naman who wants full package or full support naman from CIC, from explanation of documents to combining to helping them complete assessment of documents, completeness, analysis on what else you need para mas lumakas yung application. Lahat ng yan, we have the services for those. Ano ang maganda pa dito, ang payment terms is very flexible. Meron tayong flexibility na pwede silang magbayad ng maliit muna, no, to get started, and then they can pay before the application is filed, and also a big portion of the balance can be paid pag pasado na sila. Imagine, no, kung may ganyan tayong flexibility. No, so, or if they want bigger discounts naman, we can give them a lot, no, up to 25% discount, para naman mabigyan sila ng malaking discount. Kailangan magbayad sila ng upfront naman. So yun yung choices nila, either mag-installment sila, maliliit lang yung babayaran nila until ma-approve na sila, or they can avail of bigger discount, but this time kailangan nilang magbayad ng mas malaki. No, so ang difference, if you are willing to give the time to promote, so sabi ko sa inyo, kailangan pumunta ka sa aming YouTube channel, like the video, subscribe on the channel, and then ang mangyari is you post some videos on a monthly basis doon sa inyong Facebook page, ang commission nyo tataas. So from 1.5 maging 3% na, all the way up to uh 30%. No, so imagine, very very attainable ang 4,000. No, 30% is like $1,200, no, sa isang buwan. No, and of course, kung installment 'yan, ang mangyayari niyan, magpa-pile up yung mga magiging receivables later on kung kahit maliit pa yon. So po pwedeng very gradual din and very consistent ang makukuha ninyong supplemental income. No, so that is our offers to you guys. Ang next video that I will be sending you is an explanation naman on the packages that we will be um, offering our leads, our clients. Thank you very much for spending the time to listen to this video. I'm very excited. Hopefully, we can do business para, alam niyo yun, you can get back some or if not all of the money that you have given us and earn more money from the referral naman. Sa ngayon, it's an opportune time kasi lalo na dyan sa Canada, ang dami-daming nang kailangan ng tulong even sa pag-apply na ng PGWP. Even if madali yan, others wants help. Uh, and also, ang services namin is very, very reasonable as compared to the kind of services na meron dyan. No, kasi grabe, maningil ang mga Canadian na mga outfits and companies nandyan. No? Laki, no? Kasi ang nakikita ko na information dyan, mag-set up ka lang ng schedule, magbabayad ka na kaagad ng a few $100. Sa amin naman, tulad nung ginawa ninyo, hindi naman kami kaagad na niningil for the initial discussion. 'Di ba, no? So kaya ang laki ng difference ng kind of service that we will be receiving even if we are in the Philippines, mas mura naman. And also, ang kind of attention na binibigay, iba din compared dyan and compared dito. Alright, so I'll talk to you soon again. I'll send you other videos about the services that we have naman and an detailed explanation kung paano yan yung mga terms. Thank you very much. See you next time.